Welcome to Tandla Nkondlo, where language meets soul and stories come alive. Angubengele ngiphinze ngwemukele ke mbukelo hlelo lakho elithandza Tandla Nkondlo livitela ngingifortunate ngamabuzo yathi masukuthi mina ngihlangulethela bosomkhanda laba brand new when tocabanga ukuthi hayi man bala ekhaya eSwatini. Yes, of course bala ekhaya eSwatini leni ngwabamphana beMaswati bayimisela futhi bayathi sibafunani, right? Uhlala wena nje uhamba ethenga leso sikhwama somewhere ngani kule mphana eSwati lo yendako lempo ngetandla takhe. Bayake bakwende with passion, with love, but ke ngoba wena awufuni. Anyways akhola lapho ngoba ngikho judge aphinza ngikho blame but if it kanjalo namhla ke sinaye Black Child. Black Child uthi, you know what, I love poetry. Ngithi mina how Black Child, why are you calling yourself Black Child? Utosho ke tinfo tabo culture utatuvela ngoba mina ngidasuse ngiyacala ngiyisho lemfo bese sengiyamonela muveke Black Child ukuthi uhaya kanjani iphinze yena yini kahle kahle le lemfikise ka poetry.
Mina ngengwane lovela njengelanga liphume enthabeni temtsimba likhanyise emigedzeni yabongwane nabo somhlolo. Mina ngingileni phambili eSwati labathi tebe emaphephandaba yatichenya ngemasiko kanti ke ngengwane lomuhle ngengwane longehlukane ligcebesha bathi indvuku lenhle igawule TV kepha nathi TV tehlule kagawula kaMswati sababuhle. Asithombelethele ke siya emthonjeni welithando. Asambe siye lapho inhlitiyo ilangatelela khona ngikhumbula la ngicala ukubona. Buka ngoba lashona emini kwakhanya inyeti kwaphinze kwakhanya nakimi ukuthi thina nawe sihlanganiswe amazulu. Thula phela inhlitiyo yami. Wena sowufike ekhaya la. Asambe sikekete insaba tela ubombo bomalume bakho bakekho umtsimba. Bachupha amabheke embili babhekise amabombe masango nakithi. Batshele ke bakhipha eligege nensula mnyembeti thina ke ekhaya sizakhipha inhlabu sabayeni. Fike bayeni ekhaya nakudzabuka kusa. Bamemete segozolo siyalobola gogo. Siyalobola gogo. Aphuma lilitele kumfati wamkhulu kwatise lembali lebeka ikhulisa seyohlanyelwa emabaleni asemtini.
Black Child, welcome to Tandla Nkondlo vusela umbukele ekhaya.
Sanibonani babukele ekhaya lokhuluma ngoBlack Child lengisonkondlo. Ngiyabonga kuba nani namuhla.
Alright, now ungasicela kabanzi nje ukuthi who is Black Child? Sifisile kwathi sinembukele.
Okay, Black Child is a 19-year-old girl loqale ipoetry 2021. Bengina 15 years and 19 volunteer through poetry. The name Black Child lifika ngekuthi ngithandza cultures not only ala Swatini but across the ngathini SADC.
Okay.
Maybe Africa kanje because the name Black Child yasuka kule ncwadi lethi Africa killed her son and left her daughter on earth. My name is Black Child and I'm Africa's daughter.
Oh, okay. So uyangena ka poetry solo uqalile nje ugile wa reciter somewhere before noma ubhala kuphela? You are comfortable in writing bese so yathi recorder uposter online?
No, I have taken stage ku Christian Maz's second edition 1 minute poetry show na ku poetry in a park naletinye nje letinye.
Okay. Okay, ufise kuhamba ufike kuphi ne poetry yakho or it's something lo yenda nje nyalo usabuka ukuthi empilweni utawuba busy ngani in the future?
Okay, poetry angiyendeli, it's not a hobby. Ngiyayithandza ngisetoyenda ngisetoyichubeka ngiyiyekele noma sengichubeka nekufundza noma sengichuba ngendlela kunye ngichubeka ngiyende.
Okay, since uthi there wena you love the culture, right? Ngikathe ukuthi tinkondlo takho ti culture or you write about anything lo hlangana nayo?
Okay, kuba I-culture esikhathini esinyenti kodwa nalokunye ngiyabhala ngako nje.
Okay. Alright, noma sivetela nje inye inkondlo yakho le bamfuna nabayiva beve ukuthi you know what, this is Black Child boyibhala kwendekeni maybe usivetele isihloko sayo.
Oh, okay. Isihloko senkondlo sithi vuka ngwane bengibhala ngakubuka emasiko lesewalahlekile bamfuse bakhohliwe ngelimuva labo ngayibhala ke ngoba sengahle kahle bengicomplain ukuthi why bamfu bakhohlwe ngelimuva labo bamse bafocus etintweni esimanje bayekele lokhu labakhuliswe ngakho ngisho babuza nje wakuphi sebathi khomba le phesheya kwempilwane kanti cha uyabona nje ukuthi phela lona situkulwana sasomhlobo. Vuka ngwane, vuka lomdzala ngikutekele nansi inganekwane nange eMaswati sewalahla imvelaphi yawo bamfu sebane kulahla isiko esashiyela bokhokho omkhulu laba sebane kukhohlwa ngenkhaba yabo nangibabuta wena uwe kuhlezaphi bathi khomba phesheya kwetilwandle ube ubona kamhlophe ukuthi phela lo situkulwana sasomhlolo. Vuka ngwane ngibonise nayo imihlolo nange eMaswati angasachasani odwa sebathenga etolete betive babuyisela umnotho kulaba bangisako phangisangwane uvuke lafa lelihle kakhulu ikakhulu ukuvana nekuphilelana kona akusaphilelani. Mina sengiphilelani. Kungcono nami ungifihle emgedzeni wakho usale ngibalekela nalihlazo.
Nako-ke uyadimisela ezisonkondlo uyasebenzisana yini nalabanye bosonkondlo ngivile ukuthi ugile washerisha stage nabo Christine Mars, right? Yes, uyasebenzisana yini nalabanye kwakho nje kugatha ukuthi nakuvuleka lithuba ngala nami ngiyobonakala ukuthi nami pictures yakho.
Ngiyasebenzisana nalabanye bosonkondlo.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, bobani nje kumbe na ungatama kungivekela ukuthi na usebenzisana nabo wenda njani? Do you write your poems bese soyabaniketa ba proofreadele or uyabhala stanza 1 stanza 2 sibhalo kulomunye gcine kuphuma inkondlo le strong?
Okay, normally isivamise kuba ne WhatsApp group lapho umphathi ufaka khona stanza sakhe afake lo munye kanjalo.
Okay.
Gcine sesihlanganisa.
Okay, kumbe ke kuvetela lo munye sonkondlo lo nekwesaba ukuthi ngidoubt ngiyasherisha inkondlo yami maybe lapha egroupini. Maybe ukhona lapha egroupini hlala nje nathulile. Ngidoubt ngiyasenda lapha egroupini bese umuntu useyawasho nje malayini ami. Ende kanjani uthi protector kanjani yena like umbhalo wakhe?
Okay. Ama stanzas like funa wafaka egroupini indawo lesisebenta ngawo ngaleso sikhathi kuleyo project. Ungafaka ama stanzas khanze ukuthi ipoem yakho nje wathi ibhalela bese uyafaka. Uyifake nangabe le project leyo sisebenza ngayo siyathi ukuthi next week siyayirecorda onini siyendala. Ungafaki nje ipoem yakho lo wathi ibhalela yona lo tawuphinde ufuna kuyirecorda wena wepha.
Okay. Alright, kusonkondlo ke lo nekwesaba kubonakala eziveni wenda kanjani maybe sewusinikete lama tips lamancane ukuthi bagcine bamati njengoba sesimati namuhla Black Child?
Okay, mina lebe ngikwenda ukuthi lokungisafunza esikolweni bengithatha inalithuba ku morning assembly ngama Fridays. Lokho kwenda ukuthi ngigcine ngibatayela of course bafunzi babe understand ukuthi okay usafunza bave bangibeketelele emva kwaloko ke ngekumotivate ukuthi no next Friday utona ngilenye poem ngitaba ngcono kuna last Friday kanjalo.
Okay, then wena uticukutela kanjani? How do you motivate yourself when because ngifila ngazuthi ipoetry it comes with emotions. Wenda kanjani wena ukuthi ugcine ukhona lokuthi you know what lokulosokubhalile maybe ukubhale ku personal maybe ukubhale ngesituation lothi today uyayibuka yakuthinza nawe ukhona kanjani ukuthi kucukuteleka uwedvana nje ukuthi ukhona ukuchubeka nepoetry ezisikhathi sichubeka?
Okay, mina imphela ngiyenda ukuthi anytime kwendeka something ngiyabhala. Ngibeke lo mbhalelo ngobhalile and then later ngidabe sengiyawubuka ngidokhipha nathi nyetimbo because khona timbo libhala ngekuthi ngenga noma ngani. Le kumele bese soya defilterisha ngeconnect record. Bese ke later sengiya editor sengisusa le timbo leto ngifake mana ngila right.
Okay.
Magama la kahle.
Okay, so when now as a poet wenda kanjani do you deal with kubuka ukuthi since ngenta ipoetry ndofaka ema components lafaka kubo poetry bo rhyme scheme ema sonnets noma uthi you know what mina I'm all about giving out the message nangibhala?
Okay, sometimes ngiyawasebenzisa le takhiwo sangephandle sikhathi ngiyawasebenzisa.
Okay.
But ngalesinye isikhathi ngivamise ukubhalela ukuthi ngendlulise lo mlayeto.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Any future plans that you have as a poet?
Ngifisa kusebenzisana nabo sonkondlo laba 7 la kamakhelwane. Nalabanye nje bosonkondlo abafisa kusebenzisana nami.
Okay. Ngiyakuvuba la even nabo makhelwane. Do you have a role model there?
Yes.
Okay, ngibani?
Ngugubhela.
Okay. All right, maybe ke kuvetela lo munye sonkondlo lo safika ka poetry ukuthi kumcwangani to have a role model umuntu lombukako lo show ukuthi you know what I like lokula kwendako phinze ngiyafisa kufana naye kumcwanga kanganani lokho kumcwangani
futhi? Okay, lokho kuyakusida ngoba there are days lapho khona utova nje ngazuthi you know what angiva ngathi ngayiyeka le mve poetry but mangabe khona umuntu lobukela kuyi uba like phela sibani akazange give up that's why lapha bese soyakhona lokucucuteleka uchubeke naloko.
Okay, and a special message kumbukele ekhaya lo ofisile ukusupporta?
Okay, ngasho ukuthi ngangisupport ka social media, follow my pages igama lami Black Child everywhere. Also kusekunengile ngisatokwenda I'm still about to release my poems khona la studio we are recording. Yes.
Okay, so ungamotivate ke lenye artist lekhona ekhaya maybe uyathunga maybe uyahlabela any special words longa washo
ukuthi do your work every day, practice every day lingapheli nje ilanga kude lokwendile lokungumsebenzi wakho. Mina ngiyinifambe eliswati nasenkondlweni isiswati ngisihayile. Nangethelela abangishaya ngeliswati angithi vele ngidalwa ngumfato weliswati lophuma ekhaya eSwatini. Ngicele ngunanatele, ngikutekele kabandi ngemihambo nemasiko eSiswati. Ngicele ngikuchazele ngeligege nensula mnyembeti. Nashikwako ke na ungamadi ngisengakuchazela. Ngivumelene nginishintshele bonze bembili babe bolwangeni. Ngiphindze ngichazele kabandi ngekwakhiwa kwamagama amfana eliswati. Ngivumele phela jaha lakithi nawe Thathewethu nginitekele ngemvelaphi yami. Vele nina nibe kuvelaphi. Ngivumelene nginendlalele esihlanzi nihlale nilalele imiyalo yendlunkulu. Mina ngicela kunikhomba egumeni nasesangweni labomnakethu. Kethu nanetinkinga utibika endlunkulu endlini kagogo. Naku senganze ngemlomo. Angithatha lidziwe ngikuthele lesinatho mntwana kethu. Ke ngemvumo yakho ngidakuhayela, ngikugiyele, ngikufundzele tinganekwane, ngiphindze ngikuphekele esiphuphe phela liphupho lami ukukulandzisa ngemvelaphi yami. Vuka ngwane, vuka lo mdzala ngikutekele nansi inganekwane. Nanke maswati alahla imvelaphi yawo. Bamfuse balahla lisiko lesalishiyela bokhokho mkhulu laba sebanekukhohlwa ngelimuva labo. Nababuta wena uwe kuhlezaphi batikhomba phesheya kwetilwandle. Ngibe ngibona kamhlophe ukuthi phela lo situkulwane sasomhlolo. Vuka ngwane ngibonise nayi imihlolo. Nanke maswati angasachazani othwa bathenga itolote betive babuyisela umnotho kulaba labangisako. Phangisa ngwane uvuke lafale lihle kakhulu. Ikakhulu ukuvana nekuphilelana kona akusaphilelani. Mina sengiphilelani. Kungcono nami ungifihle kwakho umgedze sale ngibalekela nalihlazo. Sengisaba nekuvela ngihize umhelwane nelicebesha batangibuka abasuluke nami bacabanga ukuthi ngiphume enhle emgedzeni yabongwane nabo somhlolo. Kanti nje cha, ngiyinifombe eliswati lesathi ichenya ngemasiko ayo.
Black child for the culture. Ngithemba mbukeka ukuthi utijabulele tinkondlo takhe Black Child. Wangigcina ngetijabulela kuphela mbite Black Child. Nangabe nje khona lokuthite lokulungisako wena. Mbite lomfana Swati atokahayela utosiva Swati ukuthi simnanzi kanjani. Utobona futhi ukuthi buve bakhoba umcwa kanganani. Sitawushiya khona ke emakethe nasibuya sitachubana nelihlelo ungayinzawo. Bukele tanda nekhondlo solubukele lona hlelo lakho loluthandzayo nehamba embili eSwatini TV naseven lonke nje. Namhla ke sinayilo wenda umsebenzi etandla ngoba uyathi ukuthi lihlelo tandla nenkondlo kumele phela abe khona loyo losebenzisa tandla takhe kutiphilisa. Utafunza ke kuye mbukelo ukuthi uma ufuna ukuphilisa wenda kanjani. Utasicuca ukuthi yena waqala kanjani futhi ufise kufika kuphi nalomsebenzi wakhe la wendakho. Siyabonga lihlelo lethu kutandla nenkondlo sejabula kuba nawe siyakubona nemsebenzi ulo ugcokile uyasho ukuthi no this is my work. Please introduce yourself uvusela imbukelo ekhaya.
Oh okay, igama lami ngiyithandeka Mpho Mamaziya ngihlala eMangwaneni and kulamalanga bathi we are crocheters.
Okay.
So yeah, this is what I do. Nginda ingubo tibonye ngamajezi. Yeah.
All right, umntanga uqaleni nje kwenda umsebenzi wakho wetandla.
Ngasho ukuthi like ngiyathanda vele kwenta umsebenzi wetandla ekhaya sonke si good ngemsebenzi wetandla. Kahle ngiyathunga.
Okay.
So ku crochet bekuyinto nje bengiyenda for bangani bami. Ngase ngigcoka something usikoni wami uhlala somewhere wasuthi why ngakwenza business, and I was like ngiyathanda nje ukwenda wathi asungendele jazz ngathi okay thengi wulu wathi yenda thengi wulu ungendele jazz bese ucabanga tonke inkinga yakho faka la phakathi bese umtshela iprice. So that's how I started kwenda as a business. Kahle ku crochet ngikwathi kusukela kudzala vele like nekunitha dzala. So angeke ngisho ukuthi ngiqale nini.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, lokusho ukuthi sikhona wena umsebenzi lobuhle ukuthi ubonile ukuthi ungatiphilisa ngawo umsebenzi wetandla. All right, so uthi uyathunga phindze uyagolosha, right? Okay, so nguphi lokutsandza between the two noma lothi na ukwendile uve ukuthi you know what, I'm at peace?
No, I think you crochet.
Okay.
Yes, the reason why it's because your twin and my twin is very extrovert, me I'm an introvert. So
okay.
I can't shut by myself. So crocheting ingenda ukuthi just sit by myself either ngibukela i-series or ngibukela ini with crochet and then that's it. Umshini udinga ukuthi kube ne-station sekunjani yabona. So I enjoy crocheting way more than ithunga. I don't think since ngiqale ukucrochet as a business ngingathunga anything angisafuni.
Okay.
So sengenda nje lokho and I really enjoy it.
Okay, yeah. So now crochet yini nje lo yaye ukwende umbukela to wathi ukuthi okay nangabe ngidzinga lo nawo khona ukuthi ngiyokuthola kuphi.
Okay, I think kwamanje like amajezi njengoba babonile bamvu ka TikTok ama-bralette ngengawenda tingubo tiketi basically vele sengengenda almost everything long ayicabanga le crochet wakho sengengayenda even bags ngengawenda before but lengathi ngiprefer ukwenda I enjoy making jerseys.
Okay.
Because the creativity, you can go anywhere with it. Like you can go wild njengoba you can go wild with jerseys. I really enjoy them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so utati budakelo umnyumbukelo ukuthi okay sesiyababona bamvu cishe sebaningana labakoloshago wena uhluke ngani lo msebenzi wakho idadla wendaba.
Nginit.
Okay.
Very neat. And lenye info lenga tifundisayo nokuthi I really like involving a client. I want ukuthi mina nawe sibe in total agreement. I ngifuna uzo agree even down to the stitch you want. I give you like good okay this is the stitches and I use a lot of Pinterest. People should use like a lot of Pinterest. Go to umnete umuntu ngiyabekisa 5 of my stitches and say pick the one you want. And umuntu nangabe akasi happy with my work, I redo it. I don't have a problem with it.
Okay.
Ngifuna ukuthi umuntu aku advertise info abe naye ajabule hayi ukuthi ugcoke something uthi hamaye kuhle uthi ya ngentela lo myesisi no ngifuna ukuthi yey ngentela lo myesisi emangwaneni lo njene nje yabona so I make sure ukuthi I client yami I happy down to the stitch. Angeke uthi wena ufuna just bese mina uchoose la stitch no. You choose your own stitch and then bese siya calculator nalokuthi ngamdulanga. I've noticed amdulanga.
Okay.
Yeah. So but I think those are the three things. Neatness, I make sure that you get exactly what you want and I'm not expensive.
Okay. So kuloku ngabe expensive kwakho awucost bese sothi khanze sowenda I-loss gani ngiyabona ukuthi na wenda umsebenzi wakho uthatha isikhathi sakho.
Yes.
Okay. So you're not making a loss.
No, I wouldn't say that because the go pricing yami manje improving it before people will be complaining like oh mfana siswami who knows all of these things will be like incane le mali namanje we still fight about it but let me say kuma prices I'm really satisfied and umuntu nangabe ofuna ku negotiate usually bantu labeta kimi it's not people abafuna ku negotiate abafuna ukuthi imali bencane or anything like that they are okay with the prices and nami I'm good maybe utawukhuphuka nganye langa but kwamanje I'm good with my prices
Okay.
Yes.
So it's a design iqhamuka ne client ne stitches iqhamuke nayo I client.
Yes. No, we discuss and we can tweak it whichever way you want.
Okay.
Yes. I'm full ukuthi like labanye bantu babona I-crocheting and they love it. But abadi kahle ukuthi hayi ngithanda lo. Then mina I'll be like ungamnede umuntu like tweaker like ungasho nje ukuthi ngifuna lokho because lo muntu awufuna lokho and it's not good for ibody yakhe or akusi good for ina or let's say isibi nje and then athi ufuna bona and I'll be like how nawucabanga angeke sikhona ngonta le stitchless or ngeke sikhona into because I don't want ukuthi ugcoke info once let's ngento ngalo sisasemangwane no I don't want that.
Okay, so kuthatha isikhathi singanani ke let me make an example lijezi nje uthi sengifikile ngiclient ngiyafika netititch tami ngiyafika nedesign yami ngiyayibese sekuthatha isikhathi esinganani.
Okay, let me make an example njengale jezi leli bamfla balatiko la TikTok. So lapho I don't know why I did it but ngavele ngathatha I-phone ngapressa so every time I would start knitting I would press. Okay. It took me I think it was 38 hours. Now it's 38 hours, angisho 38 hours low one. Ngisho ukuthi bengithatha stitching knit then ingangeke pause. Ngithatha stitching knit. So if I was sitting down, it would take me 38 hours. Yabona how long is that? If I was sitting down ngingayi toilet ngiyodla ngiyoba in it would take me 38 hours to do that.
Okay.
So ngiyonke info ngengayenda recently bengiti time like this hat. I timed it. It was like 3 hours 22 minutes. For this head, I'm not doing anything else. Okay. But if I would want something else, I would say like 2 to 3 days for that jazz bamfla. So yeah.
All right. Okay, so loke uqalile kwenda kukolosha ibhizinisi. Are you getting enough support or solo uvungaza uthi eMaswati? Solo nalokubelieve la uthi no, I prefer going to buy to the shops instead of ukuthi ngingaya kulomunye umuntu ngithaka ngendlela impahla.
Shem laba labangatiko they do support and kule recent video ka TikTok a lot of people have contacted me. Kona labanye laba brands, they want to work with me, and I didn't know if Gutse Maswati they like crocheting. Like I really didn't know that. Then ngicabanga nje ukuthi like they are enjoyable, they do. Like there's a lot of support, and na kule video layer and people labang contact Maswati, which I'm shocked by.
Okay.
I didn't think that with Maswati by funny crocheting. That is why I didn't even want to do it as a business, because I'm from SA, okay, and a few people from Swaziland. But since layer video layer, there's a lot of people about contact, which I'm very happy about, and I'm excited. And yeah, short but thanks support Hashem, looks about that.
Okay.
Support.
All right. So speaking of TikTok now, ukuthi ilches lakho nathi silibone khona nje trend yakho. Lokusho ukuthi social media iyayidlala irole ethile when it comes to business eMaswati. Kumbeke ungabakhuthatha uthini labanye bosomabhizinisi labayenza imisebenzi yabo, but ababelieve ke lo munye uyayakwendele sithina sesigcokile bambude ukuthi awendelwe ngibani kanzi maybe ibupostile khona lebekungendeka. Kumbeke kubakhuthatha, what can you say to eMaswati la kanjalo?
Yeah, ngasho ukuthi nje vele social media iyasebenza ngoba nami angisimuntu lodlala TikTok, ngidlala TikTok, angikwendi TikTok. So namanje nongaka Facebook I think ngagcina 3 years ku-update Instagram angisebenzisi. I-TikTok ayisi yami, yendiwe ngusisi wami wafaka le jazz. So uthena kangitshela ukuthi sena 5,000 views, 10,000. I was like, Haibo, this thing really works. Like I'm shocked. Namanje uyang update. Hi manje sebanganjani. It really works in social media. Nangabe awukhona ukuyidlala njengoba nami angikhona shema mfuna manga. Find someone odokondela. It really works. Find someone odokondela. Noma ungenda i-reel ya Facebook, noma ungenda i-TikTok, noma ungenda sithombele siyi-1. It really works, meaning like I'm shocked. Namanje I'm on Swazi TV. With one video, this is ridiculous for me. Like I understand it really works on social media. Do it. Find someone, badala 50 rand or something for someone to do it for you. It'll complete business. I guarantee it 100%. 100%.
Okay, kumbeke kuthata labanye Maswati laba bosoma business labancane ungabakhuthatha uthini?
Shem Maswati siyawathenga amabhizinisi sonke ngeke siye officeini because laba se-officeini bathenga kugqoka laba ngaphandle bathenga abantu base-officeini ukuthi si-collaborate, so we need a business. And noticeable nje ukuthi a lot of social media is helping eMaswati with hair, with Tivet kanjalo, and I sit down and even noticeable ukuthi thina bosomabhizinisi we understand each other's crafts. Nangabe mina ngidawuthengisa jersey to someone angibaceke, someone lo corporate, they usually do not understand the work ethic njengomuntu lo nayo lo imisebenzi yetandla. So ngiba-enjoy kakhulu bantu abenza imisebenzi yetandla and ngiyasupportana shemna. Ngiyasupportana lama leggings lawo nje ngiwathenga kumuntu lo thengisayo. Hair we buy it from labanye abantu abathengisayo. So nangabe wena we exchange, it's good. Khuphula nemnotho and nebantu we help each other because hayi yonke into sitayithola etitolo, letinye into sitayithola kulamanye bantu. So amabhizinisi awachubeke Eswatini.
Okay, kucela ke support ku laba sibukele nje inganyalo, what can you say?
Okay, ngokucala ngicela ukubonga kubo bonke abantu labangicontactile eMaswati. I'm shocked because Swaziland, I mean, sathi ukuthi asinamali. We are trying. So abantu labangicontactile bathi ngicela lo woman nangisho iprice, they're like, oh okay, so in yabona. So ngiyabonga for bonke laba labangicontactile ngicela ukuthi sichubeke sisebenze kulaba labangangadi Igama lami ngithandeka ka Styled by Wele on TikTok naka Facebook Twitter Sosomtangandela Styled by Wele. So ngicela nichubeke ningisupport and I'll make sure ukuthi iDoke Important ifika ngesikhathi and kufika kukuhle and yeah sibe bahle nje simaswati sigcoke yabo strand nathi njengalabanye abantu.
Okay, umbukeli wami ngelode social media kanaye uyafuna lokusileya ngetimpahla letikholoshiwe utakuthola kanjani yena? Okay, ka WhatsApp 6359351 WhatsApp call it's fine like both le nombolo leyo. Mbukela lihlelo tandla nenkondlo sihlushwa ngiso sikhathi kepha-ke besikhathi sona besisivumela esitaqhubeka sesikulayela imisebenzi lemihle leyendiwa ngibo bantu abemaswati. Mina ngidagcugcuteka ngemva leyi-1 ngithi you know what lo mhalo ohlala naye lapho ekhaya mtshele phela ukuthi you know what lokhu tivalele egamelweni akusiwa kahle phumela ngephandle bakubone sitawukhona ukuthi nawe le mvolo yendako ugcine uyabona mose bafunza kuwe nalabanye nalo andi wakho lo wende emajezi msupport phela ungagcini nje wena ukuthi hawu andi vele wahlala yena kolosha kepha wena na ungena esitolo yalithenga lelo jezi elikoloshiwe. Dobe seseniyasho siyambanga futhi soqala mfike kujajana. Anyways angikho mina lapha. Sitabonana ke mbukele evikini elitayo ngasesikhathi esifana ko. Goodbye and God bless.